What if I told you that there exists a lake in this world where just standing for 1 hour could lead to your death? No animals, no birds, just silence and death. This is not a story, but a real truth. Today, we are going to talk about Lake Karachay, one of the most dangerous lakes in the world. In a remote region of Russia, there lies a small lake that looks completely normal. No strange color, no terrifying sounds. But beneath this calm surface lies a secret so deadly that it can send chills down your spine. This story begins in the 1950s, when the world was divided into two parts. On one side, the United States, and on the other, the Soviet Union. It was the time of the Cold War, where power meant one thing: nuclear power. The Soviet Union built a secret facility to produce nuclear weapons. Atomic weapons were being made here. But there was one major problem: the radioactive waste. It was extremely dangerous and needed to be disposed of somewhere. And they chose a quiet lake, Lake Karachay. At first, everything seemed normal. But slowly, this lake was filled with so much radioactive waste that it turned into a death zone on Earth. The water here was no longer just water. It had turned into something more dangerous than poison. Around the 1990s, scientists calculated something shocking. If a human stood near the edge of this lake for just 1 hour, they would receive enough radiation to almost guarantee death. Just imagine death just by standing there. No touching the water, no eating anything, and still death. But the most terrifying incident was yet to come. In 1967, a severe drought hit the region. The water level of Lake Karachay dropped, and what remained was radioactive sludge. Strong winds picked up this toxic dust and spread it into the air. And then what happened? Thousands of people unknowingly came into contact with radiation. People started falling sick. Cancer, skin diseases, and slowly death. But the truth was hidden by the government. Just imagine those people living their normal lives, not knowing that the air itself had become poisonous. No warning, no protection, just a slow and painful end. By the time the world came to know about this deadly lake, it was already too late. A decision was finally made to shut this lake forever. The government covered it with concrete and soil so that the radiation could not escape. Today, Lake Karachay is technically hidden, but its danger still exists. This is not just the story of a lake. It is a warning that when humans play with nature, the consequences can be terrifying. Lake Karachay, a place where there is silence, but that silence screams to remind us that some mistakes can never be erased. If you like such real and mysterious stories, then like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because there are many secrets in this world that we still have to uncover. Fire,